friends, in this video we are going to learn a super easy concept how to open ads manager in Facebook. As you can see, I am into my Facebook account, right? I will tell you two methods to open your ads manager in Facebook. In the left side, as you can see, here is an option of click see more. We have clicked on it, and here there is an option of clicking on ads manager and opening it. As soon as we left click on it, ads manager gets open. Right now we are into ads manager. Going back, telling you the another method. If you have switched to your Facebook page from Facebook account, I have clicked on top right icon and I have switched to my Facebook page. Now if we want to open the ads manager, then in the left side there is an option of ads manager directly. When we click on it, an ads manager gets open. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.